A big step forward in rebuilding a Naples landmark that draws tens of thousands of visitors each year.
The city broke ground today on the new pier, more than 3 years after Hurricane Ian destroyed the old one. Gulf Coast News reporter Alexa Velez is on Naples Beach with the timeline for when you can expect to walk the pier again.
The time has finally come. City officials and the public got together this morning to celebrate the Naples Pier rebuilding. The city manager says that starting tomorrow, they'll start installing fencing and blocking areas off by the pier to finally bring in some construction equipment. Go for it. For the first time in 3 years, the future of the Naples Pier is no longer just a plan on paper. This morning, shovels hit the sand, marking a new beginning for this iconic landmark, first built in 1888.
Project, thank you for your patience, because that's the most important thing. Is we still have patience that's needed from our community so that we can enjoy this.
The work starts in the water. More than 30 pilings and about 140 feet of the original pier were swept into the Gulf during Hurricane Ian, and that debris has to be cleared before anything new can go up. Next, crews will demolish what's left of the damaged structure. Then a barge will be stationed in the Gulf, removing debris and taking it to the Jolly Bridge on Marco Island and Bayview Park. From there, material will be hauled to a landfill, with some reused to create an artificial reef.
City staff and our contractor will begin demolition, taking some signs down, different things that want to be retained from the site that will eventually go back once it's finished. So,
when the new pier is built, it will stand taller and stronger. The city says it will be raised at least 3 feet higher than before, supported by larger pilings with more space between them, designed to better withstand future storms. In 4 months, demolition should be complete. And in 6 months, we should be seeing pilings and other parts installed. The cost, more than $23 million, with some money coming from FEMA.
It's still too long. Hope they're going to be done in 1 year. That's what we hope for.
I hope they finish sooner.
A big change from the old pier to the new one is that there will no longer be a concession stand. But fingers crossed, in July of 2027, the pier will be done and ready to enjoy. For now, reporting from Naples Beach, I'm Alexa Velez, Gulf Coast News.